going on, guys? So I just got my April edition of Mystery Tackle Box, Trout and Panfish edition. Let's take a look. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got this month. Alright. Trout and Panfish box. Second month they've been doing this, the combined box. Let's take a look here. Alright, we have the dibble, which has your little tricks and tips in there. Set that aside. Let's find the little pamphlet that tells us what's in the box. Here we go. What's inside? Lucky John Basara. What is that? Let's take a look. Basara. Okay, it's a little pink crankbait, if you can see that. This is valued at $9.99. I'm not sure I would ever spend $10 for a little tiny crankbait like that, but whatever works, we'll give that a shot. Next, we have the Roadrunner Original Jig Head. Roadrunner, where is he? Oh, yeah, okay. Looks like a little jig head with a little spinner on it. Little pink color, tiny size, 1/16 ounce. I'm assuming there'll be something to go on that. Let's take a look. We have the Eagle Claw Marabou Jig. Okay, so I'm guessing a little feathered jig if it's anything like the other Marabou jigs. And there we go. Little chartreuse Marabou jig. Be good for some crappie, little panfish there. Then we have the Carl's Amazing Baits Dub Grub. Okay. Here we go. Looks like a mini craw. You see that? About 1.5 inches with 2 tails on it. That'll be kind of cool to use. You can put that on the jig head. Not sure the colors will match, but we'll give it a shot. And last we have the Fin Commander Crappie Magnet Slab Curly. There we have it. Pink Shad Series Slab Curly for the Crappie Magnet. Now this will pair perfectly with these here. That'll be an awesome combination right there. This stuff will kill crappie and panfish. Definitely give that a shot. And then we have the sticker, of course, which is a submarine and a fish. Kind of cool. So, not a bad box. Definitely some stuff that I'll use. These here I'll use. These I'll definitely use. I'm not sure about this crankbait. I mean, it's fine. $10 is no chance. Come on. Get out of here with that. $10 for this thing. Go to Walmart and get something like that for $1.50. But we'll give it a shot. So hopefully when this coronavirus situation gets resolved, people actually get out there and start doing some more fishing. But for now, see you in the next video.